Good evening. Ay, wala akong channel message today. I mean, ngayong gabi. Kanina ang dami. Ang dami sobra. Like, ang sakit ng ulo ko kasi sobrang daming binibigay na mensahe. So, yung mensahe niya tungkol sa nangyayari ngayon sa bansa. Kanina, pinost ko to sa Facebook ko. Yung nangyayari kasi ngayon sa bansa natin, it's about politics, diba? Which is, hindi naman ako into politics. I mean, bahala sila dyan, ganun yung thinking ko kasi. Hindi ko lang alam bakit out of the blue kanina. Ayun, may video lang ako nakita, tapos biglang out of the blue, sabi sa akin, that's the sign. Na-start na ng signal na go na. Na they can do whatever they like for our country. Which is very sad. Very sad na may mga tao talaga na they want to do something to create chaos, to create some suffering, pain, and this kind of shocking revelation na sila pala yung behind dun sa kaguluhan na akala natin hindi sila. So, it's up to you for whatever judgment you have in you. Walang pinipilit dito. So, remember that whatever you have in your mind, it's you. No one is forcing you. It's within you. You're the one who can control it, the way you think, the way you act. Kaya lang, minsan may mga taong pinapadala lang or china-channel, binibigyan lang ng message for you to know na He knows everything. That our Heavenly Father is there. He sees everything. He heard everything. And He is a just God. A justice God. He want to make sure that everyone is treated equally. He want to make sure that those people that being hurt, being abused, or experience such thing, burden or anything, they receive the justice that they are waiting for. Because He is a just God. We cannot judge someone if you don't know them. Why? Do you know me? The whole story of my life? Of course not, right? Siguro, pagka nakita ninyo ako, sabihin niyo, ay, siguro, ganito, ganyan, ganyan yan. Nanghusga na kayo kagad nun. Which is, He don't like that. Heavenly Father doesn't like us to judge anyone. Masama man yan or mabuti in our eyes. Because He is the judge. He is the only judge in this humanity. Tandaan ninyo na sa bawat paghuhusga ninyo sa kapwa ninyo, naka-record yan. It is recorded, and He will make sure that when you face Him, He will ask you, why? Who give you the right, the authority to do that? Because we don't have the right. As the other, dumating lang din tayo sa mundong to na wala tayong saklot. At aalis din tayo dito sa mundong to na wala din. So, tandaan mo, nyo, na kung meron man kayong malaking bahay, maraming pera, maraming anything that you have, you are just a steward of it. Pinagkatiwala lang yan sa inyo, sa atin ang Panginoon. And He want to know if are we going to use it properly? Or are we going to use it to take advantage to the other? Or are we going to be someone that He wants us to be, to please Him, to make Him happy and proud of us? Kahit 5 pa yan, kahit may humingi sa yung bata, tapos wala kang pera, pero may candy ka, or may pagkain ka, bigyan mo. In His eyes, you're doing good. Kahit magkano pa yung ibigay mo, He appreciated. What is in your heart, your mind, and your soul, alam niya yan at nababasa niya. So, if your intention dun sa binigay mo is, oh, eto na nga, binigyan mo pero masama yung loob mo, it's not counted. Nagbigay ka nga, masama naman loob mo, it's not counted. Pero when you give, at bukal sa puso mo yan, He is proud of you. And that is counted for the blessings that you give to the other, and He will give it back to you multiple times. So, pag nagbigay ka ng 5 piso, times 10 mo. Diba? So, ganun siya. Ganun kagaling, kabuti ang ating Panginoon. Ang ating Heavenly Father. Our Creator. Kaya, kayo, na maraming pera, na maraming kayamanan dito sa mundo, na mabubulok lang yan, babahain, magra-rust lang yan, yung, ano nga tawag dun, yung kakalawangin, mabubulok, anything, tatapon nyo lang din yan. Bakit hindi ninyo ipamigay dun sa mga nangangailangan? Diba? Maraming bata ang nasa ampunan. Maraming elderly na pinabayaan ng pamilya. Na matanda na yan, iiwan na lang natin dyan. Tapos hindi man lamang nila pinupuntahan. Makakalungkot. So, ayun. Kesa hayaan nyo lang mabulok yung mga gamit ninyo dyan at wala kayong, I mean, not all kasi yung iba, may mga gamit sila pero at the same time tumutulong sila. So, this is not for those na this is for those lang na tumulong na, masama pa rin loob. Konting tulong lang, piso lang binigay pero masama pa rin loob. So, para dun to sa mga taong yun. Doon naman sa iba, depende kasi yan eh. So, depende sa ginagawa mo. Basta ang mahalaga nun, yung nakita ng Panginoon, yung nasa puso mo, kung bukal ba yan or hindi. Kasi kahit anong gawin mo pagtulong, at gusto mo lang makita ng tao na tumulong ka, kung ano yung nasa isip puso mo, gusto mo lang sumikat, yung reward mo, nakuha mo na. Nakuha mo na yung reward mo. Doon pa lang sa pagsikat mo. Pero, if you're doing this giving thing to someone else, at the same time na nasa puso mo is for them to have it. Yung binigay mo talaga sila ng bukal sa puso mo, then, He will reward you for sure. So, mag-ipon tayo ng kayamanan sa taas, sa langit, hindi dito sa lupa. Kasi yung dito sa lupa, nabubulok yan, nawawala yan, nasusunog, o kaya ay nabambaha, niraras, inaanay, mga kung ano-anong mga dilubyo or something, nawawala yan. Pero yung kabutihang ginawa mo, yung for His glory, you're doing good to others who are in need, you're doing great. So I'm proud of you, those people who are helping, those people who are in need, they need you. Do more. Go, if possible, you bring money in your pocket every day. Tapos pag may makita kayong nangangailangan, butanin nyo. Yung simpleng pagbigay is malaking ano na yan para sa ating Panginoon. So yun lang. You take care everyone. God love you. Our Heavenly Father love you. God bless.